Okay, today we're going to take a look at this Honda CB500. We're going to grab a camera and take a close look all around the bike for you. Right, let's go in and take a close look at this Honda. So we can get a good look round it and look at it close up so you can see the condition of it. Now, it is low miles. There's a full HPI check and a government mileage check, everything clear on that. This is a one owner bike from new. It does have the spare key in the book pack. And this does have ABS braking on it. The paintwork is like a matte metallic grey, dark metallic grey, but it is in a matte finish. It does look quite nice actually. A good look round the front there. This is what they call a naked bike, so it doesn't have the fairing on it. There's a wheel and tyre on the left hand side. All the forks looking good. All the engine looking in good condition on this side. The chain looking good as well. Seats also in good condition. This bike is also data tagged. You see the LED light on the back there. Get a look over on the right hand side of the bike. There's the back wheel and the brake. Let's go in for a look at the rear shock in there. Good look at the engine on the right hand side. And what we'll do now is we'll go up and take a look at the controls and also start it up. Right, let's go and have a look at the controls. Standard layout really. You've got your starter, your hazards and your kill switch. You've got your brake on this side, which also has the adjustable reach on there. And then you move over to the left hand side. You've got your clutch lever, your indicators, your horn and your lights. What we'll do is we'll turn this on, get the mileage on this because it is low mileage. Only done 4,961 miles. Right, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you want any more photographs or videos, any close-ups of anything in particular, anything you feel we may have missed, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to call Dawn or Dave on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.